guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know already, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to give me a subscribe. Don't give the channel a subscribe, but give me a subscribe, and don't forget to like this video. So guys, I'm so exhausted today because I filmed this video for about 30 minutes only to realize it wasn't filming. Like okay, so today's video is about side hustles in Ghana that anyone at all can actually venture into. As you guys know, I'm a lot more into business, and I love business, and I want everybody to own something, a side hustle, a side business, because we buy every day. Each and every day we buy stuff. Today I bought stuff, yesterday I bought stuff. You also bought stuff yesterday and today as well. So you also have to own something. So far as we are living in a human community, no matter what you sell, somebody will buy, provided you don't overprice your stuff. So today's video is basically side hustles in Ghana that anyone at all can actually take advantage over. The first one I have here that is so simple that anybody at all can actually take advantage of is food or drink business. Almost every lady in Ghana can make something. Guys also are good at cooking. So if you're good at a particular dish, it can be noodles, it can be fried rice, it can be banku and tilapia or something. Just let your friends around know that, yo, I'm very good at this and this is a sample. If you need some, just holla me. And yo, it becomes a side hustle as time goes on. If you are good at this abele walls, this ice cream, so below cakes, anything you're good at in relation to food and drinks, just let people around you know. As time goes on, you get a website designer to help you. You begin on online services and all that, and you grow bigger. You actually begin to drop your main hustle and make this your main. It happens all the time. A lot more of people drop their main hustles and make their side hustles their main hustles because they're getting more cash from side than the main. Website development or web development. If you are good at graphic designing, just use this opportunity, because these days a lot of people are having businesses online and stuff, and they want good graphics for their website and stuff. So you jump at this opportunity and design websites and stuff, logos, flyers for people at a fee. You can do this and you're there sitting there. What are you doing? Don't you have a main hustle? Get a side hustle, man. So I also have a business consultation. You're someone that you have a lot more business ideas, but you already have a main hustle, so that use this as a business. Be a business consultant. Anybody that wants to venture into any new business will come to you and get some advice from you, because you have the insights. Of course, you have to do some research and study more about this. Okay, cleaning service. This is a business that I think a lot of people, it will be so easier to even get into it. People organize engagements, parties, weddings, and at the end of the day, there's a total mess left after these programs are organized. Be an agent or something, people will just contact you. You go and clean these places at a fee. What a good side hustle. You become a cleaning service, or yeah, something like that. It's a side hustle. It's not a main hustle. Weekends you are home after you don't go to work, you can clean at a fee. Okay, so social media influencing. I can't even talk about this because social media influencing is becoming the age now, and a lot more of people outside Ghana are jumping at this opportunity, and they are dropping their main hustles for social media influencing as their side hustles. And nobody so far that I know is regretting dropping their main hustles for social media influencing as a main hustle now. So if you're in Ghana, you have followers, if your Instagram is good and everything, your Twitter account, you have massive followers, your Snapchat, just become an influencer. DM brands and all that, you start doing business. It's a very good side hustle. Of course, it doesn't begin a day. Small you get there. Makeup and piercing. A lot of people want double piercing. If you are good at piercing, just let people around you know, oh yo, I'm good at piercing and all that. It becomes a side hustle. If you're good at makeup and stuff, do makeup for friends at a fee. Side hustle. Event planning. You can organize events for people, plan events for people at a fee, but this needs some research. You have to have some knowledge about events and all that. And if you are good at events planning, or you think you can organize events for people, start by organizing parties and stuff for your friends around you. and little by little it grows. Okay, so photo shoot, guys. A lot of ladies are taking photo shoots for their birthdays and all that, and you are there, you can take photos. What are you waiting for? Take photo shoots for people and take money at the end of the day. Delivery business, this is something which is underrated and estimated in Ghana. See, as I'm now always see that there can never be enough delivery personnel or delivery services, because every single day people buy online, every single day people create new businesses online, and at the end of the day, when people buy, who delivers this products? It's delivery services. I have a personal business that I always don't even get enough delivery services. Every single day I have to be postponing some deliveries because the delivery guy cannot make all the deliveries in a day for me. You get it? So if you have a motorbike lying somewhere in your house, at the end of the day, after you go to work or you come back from work, don't just lazy about doing nothing. Pick the motorbike, go run some deliveries. If you have some white cheese sellers and jollof seller, noodle seller at you in your area or something, just holler them. I can run deliveries for you. At the end of the day, this is it. You can run deliveries at a fee. If you have the money, you can get motorbike, like a lot of motorbikes, and get guys to ride them for you, and then you pay them. Side hustle. And related businesses. A lot of people cut their hair every single day. People cut their hair every single day. People make their hair ladies. If you are good at making hair and all that, braiding and all that, just do it for people and take money from them. It can be a side hustle. Anything at all can be a side hustle. So just get an idea and do something. Anything you are good at, you can gain money from it. Hair care brands these days, this face serums, stars for skin, to make your skin smooth, to make your face smooth. Just go and venture into it. Buy these products, sell to friends, sell to relatives around you. You can begin small, little by little. You own an online shop, and then you are good to go. This thrifted clothes, see, it's very funny when I go on Instagram and I see thrifted clothes, thrifted this, bougie thrifts. And then these thrift clothes are clothes that have been used by other people, but it's very expensive. Own a thrift shop, go buy thrift shops at Mokola or something, and then let it be affordable. People will buy from you. Own an online shop for these thrift clothes. Let your pricing be moderate and people buy from you, because every single day people buy thrift clothes. So I don't even understand why people sell thrifted clothes at expensive prices. Thrifted shirts, 90 cedis. Aden Zara Bako price how much? Hey, I some more Ghana. Zara shirt scramble, it's how much? Thrift clothes, 90 cedis. Why? Okay, so this rental business, chairs, tables and stuffs, you can, if you have the capital, you can buy them and then rent them out when people are having their events and stuff. They come and rent from you. It's a very good business. Also, this wheelbarrow, headpan and stuffs, if you live around the construction site, you can purchase them down and then rent it out to these people. It is a very good business idea which you can have as a side business in Ghana. A lot more. I think I have to have a part 2 here, because already my 30 minutes has been wasted and I'm so tired. So I'll end here. God willing, maybe tomorrow another time I'll bring a part 2 of this side hustles in Ghana. I believe every single person needs to have a side hustle. See, side hustles are good. Everybody needs a side hustle. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.